बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एग्ज़ाम्स विद मुनव्वर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम FPR अपर डिवीजन कलर पेपर हेल्ड डाउन जो 11/12/2022 को हुआ था इसके MCQ डिस्कस करेंगे। कंप्लीट वीडियो को वॉच कीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिएगा और अगर आप चैनल पर नहीं हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, द होल नेशन वाज डैश द प्रेसिडेंट। करेक्ट आंसर डी, बिहाइंड। Question number 27, a foul dog fell dash water. Correct answer A, into. Question number 28, we trust dash one God. Correct answer B, in. Question number 29, insulin drug was discovered by dash. Correct answer C, Sir Frederick Grant Banting. Question number 30, the most beautiful stone marble is extracted from which province of Pakistan dash. Correct answer C, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Question number 31, the scientific study of teeth is called dash. Correct answer A, odontology. Question number 32, which gas is used in the preparation of soft drinks dash. Correct answer B, carbon dioxide. Question number 33, in the manufacture of banaspati ghee the gas used is dash. Correct answer B, hydrogen. Question number 34, the pancreas secretes is dash. Correct answer A, insulin. Question number 35, the common refrigerant used in domestic refrigerator is dash. Correct answer C, ammonia. Question number 36, most drugs are excreted through dash. Correct answer A, kidneys. Question number 37, England won T20 World Cup from Pakistan by how many wickets dash. Correct answer B, 5. Question number 38, which Pakistani bank has been penalized with heavy fine by US United States authorities dash. Correct answer A, National Bank of Pakistan. Question number 39, which country is intended to establish its permanent mission in Pakistan dash. Correct answer C, Ethiopia. Question number 40, the runner up of the HBL PSL 7 is dash. Correct answer D, Multan Sultan. Question number 41, when becomes first Hindu lieutenant colonel in Pakistan Army dash. Correct answer B, Kailash Kumar. Question number 42, Pakistan launches the framework on International Women's Day on 8 March. Correct answer C, National Gender Policy Framework. Question number 43, for a non-confidence motion to be successful the support of a simple majority dash of the 342 members in the lower house of parliament is required. Correct answer B, 172. Question number 44, the capital of Australia is dash. Correct answer C, Canberra. Question number 45, the capital of Italy is dash. Correct answer B, Rome. Question number 46, the capital of Russia is dash. Correct answer C, Moscow. Question number 47, the capital of Spain is dash. Correct answer A, Madrid. Question number 48, Imran Ismail was the dash governor of Sindh. Correct answer C, 33. Question number 49, the Aurat March Women's March Day first time observed in Pakistan in which year dash. Correct answer B, 2018. Question number 50, when President of Pakistan Rafiq Tarar died dash. Correct answer A, 7 March 2022. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.